Welcome to Atlantic Adventures. Today we're going to design something and print something on the 3D printer. This is not a tutorial. Okay, so we're in Tinkercad. We're going to make a keychain, I guess, custom keychain for my town. We get the craft fair, so I'm going to make some keychains. So we're going to bring this object in, down, and we're going to oblong it just to make a keychain, I guess. And I'm going to make it have all sides so it's right perfectly round, and we're going to bevel it a little bit. Is it bevel too much? No. Segments. So that's better. And okay, so that's what it's going to look like, but it's going to be a bit thinner. I'll make it 2 millimeters thick. And if you can watch this, you might figure out how to do some things, I guess. So I'm going to make this 2 millimeters thick as well. Oops. Bring it down a little bit further. Actually, I'm not going to use that object. I'm going to use a different object. Use this one. And we're going to go right there. Bring it down a bit smaller. There we go. Bring this up a bit so it doesn't look all crazy and janky. Looks about right. I'm guessing. Let's see. Yeah, go right there. We're going to make these two objects one. So holding shift, click one object, and holding shift, keep it in and press the other object, and click this here part here. And I'll make it one object. So that's a bit off, I think. It's a bit off. I can change that. So go back, take this move, go right there, and click two objects. Let's see. That looks a lot better. So we're going to take some text, put on it. And this is just what I came up with. I'm going to put the text right here. I don't know why it does that. It's IT. It's a message rod. Sorry for going quiet. I'll do that when I'm thinking. So let's put this here. Let's get this here. Check text that. I don't want to use multi-language. Looks best. Anyways, this is, sorry for going quiet, but anyways, this is the keychain I got made. I'm gonna make it all one object now. We'll send it over to Maker, or Anchor Maker Studio, and Anchor Make Studio anyways, and we'll print it off. So, make one object here now. There we go. So that's one object. Keychain is a master draw thing. So we just got them off the print bed, and it turned out pretty good. Put them on a keychain. Anyways, that's a message raw thing. It's a message raw thing. Anyways, cheers.